Here is a no bullshit guide on how I got a free knife just with trading and flipping skins as a beginner. Now I know most of you guys think that there is no way you can be a trader if you don't have a big inventory or have some sort of reputation. And even Madrilla Anomaly says so. Well, I just found this Nova Sovix bite on D-Market for less than $6 when it goes for more than $10 on buff. And it gave me a $4.40 profit after the buff fees, and I didn't really need a huge inventory or any type of reputation for this deal. So if you didn't figure it out yet, you will only be using third-party marketplaces and spending around 30 minutes per day on all of these marketplaces to find good deals for this challenge. And so I won't be using my other YouTube channel's fame or anything, so you could do it as a trader with literally no reputation. And I started this challenge with $6, which I think is a fair starting point since it is quite easy to get $6 just with playing the game. Since some of the case drops that you can get are more than $1.50 now. And just play the game for like a month and a half and it should do. Now look, I just found an M4A for Dragon King for $5.17, which I was able to sell for $5.67. And I also quickly found this StatTrack M4A for Decimal Space, and selling it upped my balance to $12.55 after buff fees, which is really nice. Now the good thing about this method is that you won't get sharked or scammed by other people as long as you make sure to click on the links on the description so that you don't click on phishing links or anything. So I scoured these third-party marketplaces to find good deals, and this challenge totaled to more than 1 month of work. And just a disclaimer, I am kinda cheating on this challenge since I actually didn't wait the 7-day trade cooldown after getting the items, meaning that if I found a good deal even when the previous item I bought was still on trade cooldown, I'll just assume that I sold the item for the current buff price, so that I have the balance to buy that new item. And also, some of the flips are not necessarily on chronological order, but all of these trades are actual trades over the past 2 months. Are you sick and tired of your terrible skins and want the good skins for CS2? Well, SkinsMonkey is the site for you. So SkinsMonkey is a site where you can trade your skins safely and easily to get those nasty CS2 skins. And for you guys, SkinsMonkey and I are giving out a free $5 on your first trade if you put in my code elsu. They're also giving away a bunch of free skins, and using my code you can get a 35% bonus on your deposits. So make sure to check them out, link is in the description. So the next skin that I was able to find was this Batos card Legion of Anubis and this P90 Scarab Brush, which got me to over $15. And by the way, if you want me to teach you guys how to find these good deals, just let me know down below in the comment section. Next up, I was able to buy these stickers from older tournaments which are pretty liquid. And so these actually took me about 2 weeks to sell off, but they actually did turn my starting balance to now $24.20. And now that we finally have some decent Steam balance, let's start out pumping more trades. And this now put our balance to $32.98, and this was when I started to get kinda greedy. So I was able to find this foil Existence Klujnapoka for around $23.54 and this factory new P250 Hive for around $5. Now I was able to sell the P250 for a $1 profit, but for the sticker it was listed for $33 at the time I bought it, which I thought would have been an easy $10 profit, but even after 1 month of listing it, no one still wants to buy it. And so I just sold it to the highest buyer there for around $22.98 and take the small L for that. So learning our lesson, I decided to go back to buying liquid stuff that is easy to sell. And I first went with this AWP for a $1.50 profit, then I bought these 4-point disarrays for $8.11 and I sold it for $9.09 on buff. Then this Deagle Prince Stream gave me a $4 profit, and these 2 StatTrack M4A 1 Nightmares put my Steam balance to $43.50. And for probably my greatest trade so far, which I did post on my main channel, I bought 11 of these USP whiteouts, but for this series, let's just consider that I bought 1 of them. And I bought it for $24.50, and I was able to sell it for around $32.50 since they did explode during one of the CS2 updates, which was pretty awesome. And this now puts us over $50, which is really nice. Now after buying these 3 factory new Glock Nuclear Gardens, which gave us a $4 profit, I found these Boris Golds from the Paris Major, and even though I had PTSD from buying stickers after what happened with the Existence flip, these were Paris stickers which are very recent and selling very easily. And this trade now puts us at $57.88 so far. So now that my PTSD with stickers is now healed, I went with another risky play with buying these 3 Santares Antwerps, which I bought for $12 each, and on buff they were going for around $17.35 each. Now I knew that these stickers were in a bubble and it could go down in price a lot. So it is very risky, but I hope that it could sell for at least $15 after 7 days until the items were tradable. However, they went down to around 100 Chinese yuan or $13.70 after 7 days. And I didn't sell yet since I was hoping that it could bounce back in price. Well, unfortunately, its price never really bounced back. And the sticker was going for $12.60, which does still put us at a profit, but if you weren't greedy, I would have made so much more. So starting here, I just went on with selling liquids, which are pretty easy to sell, and after flipping these AWP Neo Noirs and this field tested AK Empresses, it now puts us to a bit more than $85. And I was able to find this field tested Navaja Damascus Steel for exactly $85, which is pretty nice. Now I will be posting a tutorial on how to find good deals like this soon, so make sure to subscribe if you want to see it, and most of the money that I profit is through CSGO trade-ups. And if you want to see how I got free CS2 skins with proof just with CSGO trade-ups, make sure to check out this video. Otherwise, peace out boys.